Hello, dear teacher.
And today we would like to speak about our geography project, mainly air pollution.
And let us introduce ourselves. My name is Fatima Saleh and I am from 10C2.
And my name is Ali Nasirli and I am also from class 10C2.
Let's go further.
Yes. So I would like to start with the aim of our project. So the aim of this study is to raise public awareness and knowledge of the causes and impacts of the major environmental pollutants, as well as to identify potential solutions that improve air quality.
Okay. Then let's go to the research part of our project. First question was, why is the air so important? And we had to give 3 examples and explain them. Here is sustain life and growth, photosynthesis, and temperature control. We chose these ones. Sustain life and growth, it's air consists one of the main life sustaining gas called oxygen. Almost all living things breathe in and breathe out this air. Nitrogen and carbon dioxide are also other gases that are important for plants and their growth. And when we talk about photosynthesis, as we know, carbon dioxide, which is a component of air, is used by plants during the process of photosynthesis. Here, oxygen is also released by plants, and we know how vital is oxygen for our air. And last one is temperature control. Here it's also another important aspect of air. It helps in maintaining the temperature on the Earth's surface by circulating hot and cold air. Air acts as a conductor of heat as well, basically like this one. And the second question is natural components of the air. It is nitrogen, 78%, oxygen, 21, approximately percent. Other gases, argon and carbon dioxide. Here you can see the percentage of each of them. And third question, it's we have to investigate the natural and human-based processes cause the global air pollution. Human-based causes is basically factories, cars, airplanes, chemicals, methane gas, fossil fuels, and the human air pollution is caused by things such as I already mentioned them. And one of the ways that humans cause the most air pollution is by burning fossil fuels. It's the main and global problem for everyone for now, yes. And about natural causes is organic compounds from plants, sea salt, suspended salt, dust, and the other natural sources are released during catastrophes, such as volcanic eruption and forest fires.
Yes, so now I would like to answer to the first question, to share information about the riskiest areas due to the air pollution in the world. So we choose 3 of them. So mainly it's Delhi, India, Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia, and Bamenda, Cameroon. So I would like to start with the Delhi, India. So the Indian capital was once the most polluted city in the world. Pollution from surrounding rice fields, urban waste burning, and automobile exhaust emissions continue to affect this region. Now I would like to speak about the Cameroon, Bamenda. So unlike many of the world's most polluted cities, deforestation and changing weather patterns are the primary explanation for this city's poor air quality. It's the most polluted city outside of India. And I would like now to speak about the Ulaanbaatar. It's the capital of Mongolia. As recently in 2019, children have been evacuated from Mongolia's capital due to the toxic air conditions. Grandparents and other family members transferred impoverished young people to agricultural part of Mongolia or to neighboring countries to avoid these harmful effects of Ulaanbaatar's climate. Yes, and the next one, yes. About Baku, so pollution in Baku. The major pollution in Baku is placed in Baku and Sumgayit. It's from motor vehicles, oil and gas industries, chemical, steel and power plants, and small and medium-sized enterprises. According to data that we get from internet, 96% of the atmospheric pollution emissions are concentrated in 5 main cities of Azerbaijan, with the most of air emission in city Baku. Yes. Yes. Fifth question. Explain the negative impacts of air pollution on nature and human health. So we choose 3 of them. So it's smoke, acid rain, and climate change. So acid rain, climate change, and smoke all damage the Earth's surface. Polluted water and gases seep into the Earth, changing the composition of soils. That directly affects agriculture, changing crop cycles and the composition of food we all eat. And finally, the 6th question, the last one. Yes, solutions to improve air quality. To move, as you can see from this slide, it's to move away from fossil fuels, reduce or eliminate fireplace and food stove use, avoid burning leaves, trash and other materials, avoid using gas-powered lawn and garden equipment, planting more trees, and using electric vehicles. So the most basic solution for air pollution is to move away from fossil fuels, replacing them with alternative energies like solar, wind, and geothermal. Producing clear energy is crucial. So, and now should go further. Yes, fieldwork.
Excellent fieldwork.
Good day, dear teachers. And today I will speak about my geography project, my favorite. So I'm now at oil retiring plant or factory or Neftimalı Zavodo, and it's one of the biggest factories in our republic. So, and it's producing a lot of toxic gases that's polluting our air. And as you can see, there's a lot of toxic gases, and there's not a lot of filters that's cleaning it. So there's a lot of smoke and other gases that's polluting our air. And as you can see, it's very big, and it's the biggest in the republic. So that's it. Thank you for watching. And
today I will show you the causes of air pollution, and one of them is traffic jam, which you can see from the video. And the gases which release these cars goes into the air and pollute it. That's why we have to avoid of these type of pollutants.
And hello, and it's Ali Nesrli from class 10-2, and I would like to introduce the second factory that I will show to you, and it's waste recycling factory. As you can see, it's over here, like here, and as you can see, it produces a lot of toxic gases and other smokes that's very toxic for our air, and there's no enough filters that can filter it, so it's also can be like a reason for a lot of diseases, respiratory system diseases, and also as a causes of our air pollution. So that's it, and as you can see, there's like all the territory. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.
The other reason of or cause of air pollution could be also the construction sites. As you see here is a lot of heavy machines or other vehicles on this site, and they operate on diesel engines, and they release pollutants which goes into the air, and it is the reason of air pollution also.
That's it from our fieldwork. And it's our references which we were used during our making this project. Yes. And
thank you very much for your attention.
thank you for attention. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Thank you.